and this line will act as the resistance zone, and green line, this will act as the support if you are entering into the long trade. Hi friends, this is Chitra. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you're all doing good. Today we are going to see what is called SuperTrend and how can we use SuperTrend in our trading. SuperTrend is a trend following indicator similar to the moving averages. It is a very simple indicator and it is constructed with the help of just two parameters. What are those? They are the period and the multiplier, and this is the formula for calculating the SuperTrend. Okay, so putting the information above in the formula for ATR. So this is how it looks. So the calculation is not important, but here I have showed this is how the SuperTrend is calculated. SuperTrend indicator relies on two fundamental dynamic values, that is the period and the multiplier. But before we go into that, it is important to understand the concept of ATR. What is called ATR? That is the average true range. ATR is yet another indicator that gives you the market volatility value by decompressing the range of prices of a security for a particular time. SuperTrend indicator is plotted on either above or below the closing price to signal a buy or sell. The color changes, that is the SuperTrend color will be green or red. Okay, and it will change based on whether or not you should be buying. If the SuperTrend indicator moves below the closing price, the indicator turns green. Okay, and if it signals an entry points or points to buy, and if the SuperTrend close above, the indicator shows the sell signal in red. By using the SuperTrend, we can easily identify the support and the resistance level. By the very nature of the SuperTrend indicator, it offers the firm support and resistance level for the traders to enter and exit the trades. Here, this is the SuperTrend indicator and this is red in color, means the price is bearish, and if you are entering into the short trade, this will act as the resistance, and if you are entering into the long trade, below this green, this line will act as the support. Additionally, it provides signal for setting the stop loss. Okay, the way it works is, for example, when the buy signal, that is green, is on, when the price dip towards the indicator, you can enter or go long at this level, which doubles the support level, which doubles up at the support level. Similarly, when the sell signal is on in red, price points nearing or touching the indicator can act as levels of resistance. This level can act as the resistance. So when we use the SuperTrend, it will be plotting the support and resistance level. So it will be easy for us to understand what will be the stop loss and what will be the resistance level and what will be the support. What is an ideal level to set the stop loss? If you have gone long or if you are on long trade, the stop loss can be set at the level below the green line. So say for example, if you are taking long trade here, the support is this green line. So this will be the stop loss if you are entering into the long trade. If you are planning to take the short position, you can hold on till the price drop below the level aligned to the red line. So if you are in short trade, this resistance, this line can act as the resistance. So this will be the stop loss. So this is a trading view. We will add the SuperTrend. Okay, here we are not going to change anything in the settings, keep it as default. Okay, so here under the inputs, the ATR length is 10 and factor is 3. And in style, the uptrend is green in color and the downtrend will be red in color. And the plots background for uptrend will be green and plots background for the downtrend will be in red. Okay, click on OK. So if the price is below the SuperTrend, that is if the SuperTrend is red in color and if the price is also below this, we can enter into the PE trade, means the trend is bearish. And this line will, this red line will act as the resistance. Okay, so when you see the SuperTrend that is green, if you see, this is green in color. So what will be the support? If you are entering into the long trade, this will be the support. So this will be the stop loss if you are entering into the long trade. So if you are using only the SuperTrend, we will not be knowing where to enter into the long and the short trade. But we know if the SuperTrend is green, we can go for long, and if the SuperTrend turns to red, we have to enter into the short trade, and this line will act as the resistance zone, and green line, this will act as the support if you are entering into the long trade. Okay, so here this will be the resistance. Here we can put a horizontal ray and we can mark this as the resistance. Okay, so here we'll be marking those resistance and the support. So this is the resistance. Okay, and here this green line, this will act as the support. So here we can mark it as support. So by using SuperTrend, we can easily identify the support and the resistance level. So simply, if the price is above the SuperTrend, that is green, and this green line act as the support. Okay, here this green line act as a support, and when we are entering into the short trade, this red line act as the resistance. So in order to enter into the long and short trade, we want to add one more indicator, that is moving average exponential. Moving average exponential. So we will be keeping 20 EMA. Okay, we are not going to change anything in the settings. We are going to change the input length as 20 EMA. So how to enter into the trade? Here the SuperTrend turns to green. So our bias is bullish for the market. So we'll be entering into the long trade, and also we got a green candle, that is 920 candle is green candle. So we will be entering into the long trade above this. So we can trail the profits. Okay, until the price is giving a close below the 20 EMA. Here we got a red candle that gave close below the 20 EMA. This is Nifty 15 minutes time frame. So if you are using only SuperTrend, we will not be able to identify where to enter and how to exit the trade, because we will get lots of false signal in the sideways market. So for double confirmation, we are using the 20 EMA. Alright. So here the SuperTrend turns to red. So we will be entering into the short trade. So this is a 15 minutes candle. So here this is a red candle. So we can enter into the PE trade. So again we got the green candle. So we will not be entering into the long trade according to the SuperTrend strategy. Where we will be entering into the long trade? Once the SuperTrend turns to green, we will be entering into the long trade, and also if the price is giving close above the 20 EMA, we will be entering into the long trade. Okay. We can enter into the long trade above this green candle. Why? Because this green candle gave a close above 20 EMA. Also SuperTrend turns to bullish. So on that day, Nifty was on trending day. Okay, so above this green candle, the price was 18,364, and on that day Nifty made a high of 18,451. So here the SuperTrend turns to bearish. Okay, till now, that is from May 15th, our view was bullish to the market and we are in the long trade. So when the SuperTrend turns to red, our view changed to bearish. And what will be the resistance? This line will be acting as the resistance if you are entering into the short trade. And also we got the confirmation that this red candle gave a close below the 20 EMA. So this will act as the stop loss for our PE trade. So once we are entering into the short trade, this red candle will be the stop loss. So that is the yesterday's red candle. So on the next day, that is 16th May, this red candle gave a close below the 20 EMA, and also the SuperTrend is also red. So we can enter into the short trade. So basically this should be the resistance, and this will act as stop loss. So here, as this red candle gave a close below 20 EMA, we can keep this red candle as stop loss. Okay. So if you are entering into the short trade, we got nice PE trade on that particular day. We can see one example from the HDFC Bank. The time frame I have selected is 5 minutes. See here, this is the HDFC Bank on 23rd May. And the first candle is the red candle, and SuperTrend was in green. So according to our strategy, if the price is above 20 EMA, we will be entering into the long trade. So as this is a gap up opening, we will be waiting for the price to retrace to the 20 EMA. So this green candle gave a close above the 20 EMA. So above this green candle, we can enter into the long trade. And also as we got the red candle which gave a close below the 20 EMA, we will not be entering into the short trade. Why? Because the SuperTrend is green. So our bias is bullish for the market. Above this green candle, we can enter into the long trade, that is 1025 candle. We can enter into the long trade because this green candle gave a close above the 20 EMA. Also, super trend is green. Okay, so once we enter into the long trade, we can trail the trade. Okay. Okay, so we can see when the super trend turns to red. Here the price was in the consolidation. Although the price gave a close below 20 EMA, we are not entering into the short trade. Okay, so here we can see that the super trend turns to red. So here we will be only looking for the short trade, that is the PE trade. And we can see this red candle gave a close below the 20 EMA, and also the super trend turns to bearish, and this line will act as the resistance line. Okay, this is a resistance line. So we can enter into the short trade, that is a PE trade. So if you are entering into the short trade, this red candle's high will act as the stop loss and this will act as the resistance, or else you can keep this line as the stop loss also. Okay, and super trend was in green for the next day also, that is on 24th May. Okay, so once we enter into the trade, we can hold the position till the super trend turns to green. So we can see on 25th May, super trend turns to green. Okay, so this is how we have to use the EMA in our super trend. We can see one example from the Bank Nifty. The time frame I have selected is 5 minutes. Okay, here we can see that the super trend turns to green from red. Okay, so here we can enter into the long trade. Why? Because we got a green candle above the 20 EMA. So here we can enter into the long trade. And also here the super trend turns to green on 25th May, and we can see that till 29th May super trend was holding on green, and 29th super trend turns to red. So once we enter into the long trade, we can trail our profits, or you can book your profits according to your RR ratio. It is not necessary that you have to hold the position till the super trend turns to red. This is my Telegram channel with 4.8k subscribers. Here in this channel, I will share my views on Nifty and Bank Nifty every day for intraday trading. There are so many fake channels created using my name and image, sending anonymous message to pay money. Please don't get trapped. Hope this video is useful to you. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Click the bell icon too for my upcoming video notifications. Thank you for watching.